Look at what we got here. A foam airplane with a light on it. Think it's gonna work? Stay tuned for part 2. Check out this cool thing here. My wife got it for me for Christmas. It was a stocking stuffer. I think it was Christmas. But let's take a look and see what this thing does. I guess when you have the wing on here, it'll glide. And when you take the wing off, it'll go in a circle and come back around like this.
No, when you put the wing on the top.
Oh, when you put the wing on the top, it'll go in a circle and go around like this. Oh. So let's take a look, and this is really cool because it got lights on it. So let's check it out. Got this setting here. Got this setting here. What's the music? Oh, and we got this setting here. It's just straight. So we'll do it like this just to test it. So check me out. And it's broke. The light cut off immediately. So let's see if it survived the crash. Okay, the light is holding up. Let's try it again. Oops, my bad. My bad. Okay, let's try it again with the light. Well, like this, but I guess if we take the wing off, it's supposed to fly in a circle, like this.
Yeah, on the top. Put it in the top.
Put it in the top one. All right, it's in there. Let's see. Let's see. Hopefully it don't end up on the roof. That's cool. Let's try it one more time. So in other words, it'll crash. It don't go in a circle. It's supposed to go in a circle. Let's try it. Throw it a little harder. Oh, that was cool. On your car. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna give it a good one. That's pretty cool. So I recommend this. One more time, one hard one. Oh. Yeah. So it's pretty cool. I recommend this thing, 10 out of 10. Buy it, try it. It's pretty cool. That's nice. That's cool. Here, you want to throw it? That's all you got? That was raw though.
One more time. One time.
Woo! Oh, that was pretty cool though. All right, hit the button. Make sure the wing is straight. All right, throw it hard as you can. Oh, that's raw. That was nice. Hard as I can. That's buy it, try it now.